There are lots of different types of Abutilon. They look kind of a little bit like hibiscus, but with hanging flowers. The inside of the flowers, if you look in there, is very like a kind of hibiscus flower. But the flowers don't open as much and they're not as big. And they have this like sort of hanging little lantern look. The plant is more of a floppy shrub, but it can be trained as a climber. You see here it's like wired up to this wall, and that's quite effective. And then I suppose every so often you just cut off these big dangly bits, but ordinarily it kind of spreads and hangs through other undergrowth, and they sort of come from really all around the tropical area, subtropical and tropical parts of the world. Flowers are edible, but I better not eat one of these, I suppose. And you get like yellows and reds and kind of pinks, and you get some types that are like in between hibiscus and them. But yeah, they're kind of nice. They don't really like being very cold. They like being somewhere like on a warm wall or a walled garden or somewhere kind of close to the coast where it's a bit warmer. But generally they would suffer badly in your average garden in Britain. Unless, yeah, like here, it's like it's got a nice wall around it. It's all nice and sheltered. It's got an estuary down there, and it's it's really protected from those cold winters. Yeah, they do cope with a bit of it. They kind of go a bit dormant in the winter, and all the leaves drop off, and then they kind of start growing again next year. But yeah, in the tropics they just keep on going. So they're very nice if you can grow them. Very unusual looking, and the flowers are quite tasty too.